Today we'll talk about how can you sign up with your family sharing on your YouTube TV app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click on settings here, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on family sharing, just click on it. You come to next step, just click here on sign up here. So then it's going to take you to this list here, and here can you choose your plan here. So then you click here on next, then you add your credit or card information, then here automatically it's going to add with you on your app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking